What's good, everyone? It's MJ23 and I'm back with another video, and today's video I have a throwback. This is the 1996 OG Air Jordan 11 Columbia. You want to see what's in the box? You want to see how clean it is? Let's check it out. Alright, so 1995, 1996. I would probably say more so 1996. Nike was starting to change out their boxes in their Jordan products. So if you guys are familiar with this box right here, this is the OG Air Jordan 11 Columbia. But wait a minute, this is also the OG Air Jordan 11 Columbia. Why two boxes? So this one is my size 10, this one is my size 10 and a half. The reason why there are two different boxes is because Jordan Brand, or Nike at the time, Jordan Brand was a company in 1997, was changing out their boxes from this style box to a Nike box. Now I'm not sure why that was even considered. This box right here was going strong since the Air Jordan 8, and that was around 1993. This right here, they started to change them out around 1996. And then going from 1996 to 1997, Nike started using this style box. And then in 1998, the silver boxes, as all you guys know about. So anyways, this is my size 10. I've probably reviewed it before, maybe in like a jersey video. If I have the video, I'll put a card up above. But you can see it's still pretty clean. This is a dead stock pair. This is a size 10. So this actually has a little bit more of the cream color on the patent leather, or the patina, than the size 10 and a half that I'm about to show you guys. But I bought this one probably in 2013 off Gusto the Ninja. If you guys don't follow him on Instagram, he sells a lot of OG style Air Jordans. And this one I paid a pretty hefty dollar for. So I may do a comparison between the two, we'll see. But I want to get to this one. So this one was off 23MJ88 on Instagram. Shout out to you, based out in Canada. He is a Nike Talk member and a longtime supporter of this channel here. And I saw his listing and he had it for a way good price. Like, it was pretty much what you would pay for a retro today. It's crazy. So he gave me a really good price and said if this was coming home to anybody, my place would be the place that it should be in. So respects to you, homie. Thank you so much. This is it right here. This is a size 10 and a half, and it is probably one of the cleanest Air Jordan 11 Columbias I have seen to date. Now, I showed you earlier my cream color Air Jordan 11 Columbias. This one right here, it has a slight cream color to it, but you know what? You really cannot tell. Just in some areas, but otherwise this whole sneaker is that nice white. And hopefully, Jordan Brand, when you guys decide you want to retro the Columbia 11, I know we got these babies in 2014 with the Legend Blue, but yo, it was not the same. Not the same. This is what the Columbia 11s are supposed to look like. Look at that bottom sole. Like, you cannot replicate that in any type of Air Jordan 11 retro that they make today. I don't care what you say, but it is a really nice blue tinted rubber outsole. You cannot replicate that. That's going to be super tough. Let me go ahead and pull out the other shoe so you guys can take a closer look. Alright, so here we go. That's an up close look at what this sneaker looks like. Very minimal yellowing. Nice shoe out the box. You know what? OGs are superior. They're so nice. The leather, the quality of the patent leather, the high cut. You guys were asking about that on my Instagram. And you know, this one got a lot of likes, so you can already tell that people are yearning for the Air Jordan 11s, and holiday season is definitely the time to release these. People get way excited over the Air Jordan 11 that, you know, come holiday season, this is the time to actually pull the trigger and, you know, get you some pairs. But I do want to show you guys that I did have some glue stains on it, actually on one particular strap, and it is right here. I'm going to show you guys a before and after picture of what it looks like. So before then, you see is that there was this nasty stain on the strap, and I tried my best to remove that. And so what I used was acetone. So anytime you see glue stains, glue marks, or whatever, acetone is probably your go-to to removing that. So I really hit it on there with the Q-tip, and I try to go in and, you know, push it out and kind of loosen it up and everything, and it was working really well. But then I still saw a little bit of yellow in there, and I wanted to like really completely remove it if I could. But this is the best that I could do. I used acetone, I also used White Bright, and then I also used a blue laundry detergent. So I just really started working there with a Q-tip and also like a fine bristle brush, and I just started going to work there. And after multiple sessions, this was the result that I got for the shoe. So I think it looks better. You know, it still has a little bit of that cream, that little patina look to it, which matches pretty much all the straps already. And you know, it still has a nice look to it. So of course you guys know that this is the shoe that Michael Jordan wore in the 1996 NBA All-Star game. Again, I also have a review of that jersey up on YouTube if you guys are interested. This is what the sneaker looks like from the back. You guys are looking at the 23. Columbias are probably the only ones that I have not seen with the number 45 on back. I have seen it on the black and red or the bread Air Jordan 11s. I have seen it on the Concord 11s, and I have seen it on the Space Jams or the PEs. So I think with this one, this has to be, if it ever retros again, has to be 23. It doesn't have to be 45. I hope that they don't do 45, because this right here is correct. So you see the Jumpman's on there. Got that nice Carolina blue. Matches pretty well to the outsole there, and you really can't replicate that, like I said earlier in the video, with the black traction pods and the nice hit of Carolina blue on the carbon fiber there. It is such a beautiful sneaker, such a clean sneaker. Back in the day, it retailed for $125. I'm not sure. I'm thinking maybe 2020, unless they do the cool gray 11s, but you know, it's a toss-up next year. I think pretty much everyone knows that we're probably, or most likely, going to be getting the black and red or the bread Air Jordan 11s for holiday 2019. But I mean, consider this, 2020, 2021, it could be either the cool gray or the Columbia blue 11. If it were me, I would go with the Columbia blue, because I think they need to redo that one well. I know the cool grays haven't released for some time, but yo, you really can't deny how beautiful the Columbia blue looks in OG form. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you 23MJ88 for the deal. Such an awesome dude. If you guys want to follow him, I'll put his links down in the description below. I'm still not quite sure what I'm gonna do with my size 10. I think I'm just gonna keep it, only because it has that different style box, and I think a little bit of the yellow looks really nice still. So, you know, whenever the brand does something like make a shoe look, I guess, older than it's supposed to appear, I don't particularly like that. I think that stuff should just age over time. So I mean, you guys can see the comparison here. Again, it's MJO23Dan. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for support. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I am at the same username, MJO23Dan. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, MJO23Dan, and my Facebook. Check it out. Also, I'm coming up on my 1-year anniversary for my website, mjo23dan.com. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to hear from me. You know, if I'm doing any type of writing, what type of writing do you want to read about? And I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything for my 1-year anniversary, but I think it's pretty much a milestone, and I should probably celebrate it some way. And that also happens to be my birthday. So I'm turning 39. Man, I'm getting up there in age. We're going to be 40 next year, guys. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Have a good day. Take care.